Hey guys, this is Jared, and I was coming in to show you guys how to change the lenses on these. They're super easy to do once you know what you're doing. I was really kind of hesitant to change out the lenses because I didn't want to ruin my new glasses. And to be completely honest, it was a way simpler than what I thought. So with these lenses here, I already replaced them out. All you have to do is put your two fingers on the lens, put your other two fingers on the frame, and you're going to tease it away from each other, and then this will just pop right out. You want to give the pressure right up here towards this lens. And then once you pop it out through the front, you're going to replace it with the other lens also through the front. So it's going to reverse the direction. I really like these lenses so far. I really like them almost, I hate to say it, I almost like them a little bit better than the lenses that originally came with the glasses. I like the fact that they're transition, and these are the second pair that I've gotten from this company, and they work great. I really like them, and I highly recommend them.